The ACS 8000 AutoCoin stack machine is a high-speed system designed for automated wafer processing and sorting. The process begins with wafers being loaded from the coin stack magazine, where stacked wafers are fed into the system in a controlled manner. Air knives then separate the wafers using a stream of air to ensure smooth and damage-free handling. Next, a high-speed vacuum conveyor transfers the wafers quickly and securely through the system. The machine then performs double and broken wafer detection, automatically rejecting any defective wafers. Approved wafers move to the laser marking station, where a green laser performs cold marking for precise identification. A 2D code reader then verifies the mark, while a swivel conveyor directs any failed wafers into the reject bin. The sorter aligner arranges the wafers into the correct orientation before moving to the next stage. A buffer station allows cassette changeover while maintaining non-stop operation. Once ready, the buffer releases the wafers smoothly into the cassette. With its 3-lane configuration, the system achieves a high throughput of up to 8,000 units per hour.